Cost of goods sold. It's the cost of every type of element or consumable or service or process in your business. So let's look at DTF consumables. You have DTF ink, your powder, you have your film. They are all consumables and have costs, so you need to work it out. Then you've got your printer. Well, how fast does your printer print? How much ink are you laying down? How much film are you using? How fast is it printing this to get to the end result? You have to look at that, because another factor is time. Do you value your time? A lot of people don't charge for the time. They come across this stuff, they do it, they print it, they get it out and they ship it, but they don't take into consideration their time. Me, I value my time. I know exactly what my time is valued at, and that's how I price things. With that in mind, you can work out, if your printer is printing at a certain speed and it's putting so much ink down, you can calculate what this cost really is and then include your time, and then time that end to end, and then come up with, well, based on the meterage, this is what it really costs me.